So now, dear student, now in the next video we'll discuss how we can use formula on the text, means how we can do the addition or something else with the text. Okay, so one thing that I want to know, that text is only added with help of a formula. Okay, we can add the text, we cannot multiply the text, we cannot subtract one text from another, and we cannot divide the text. Okay, so only text is added with suppose we have two words, we can add these two words, suppose like this, using formula. So we can add these two text with the help of an ampersand symbol, which is actually used to perform addition. And to add two text, okay, the process of adding two text is known as concatenation. What is concatenation? So here is an example. Just look at figure 2.3 of your book. So suppose in cell A1 we have KIPS, and in cell B we have India. So if we'll write equals to A1 है ना, this cell is A1, इसका cell का address क्या है, reference to A1, ampersand B1, ठीक है, and we'll press enter. So in cell C it will come KIPS India, like that way. So we can only add two text by the help of an ampersand symbol. Is that clear? Next we have cell range. What are the range of a cell? So range of a cell means a continuous cell starting from one position to some other position is known as cell range. Suppose we are using we can also use cell range in a formula. ठीक है, जैसे अभी हमने क्या किया था लास्ट, उसमें ये सेल, जो ये वाला सेल था हमारा, B2 से लेके B7 तक का हमने एडिशन किया. तो हमने कैसे किया? By writing B2 plus B3 plus B4 plus B5. So that we can also do. But suppose we have 100 cell, so we cannot write one by one B1, B2, B3, B4 till B100. It will become very complex and lengthy process. So for this purpose we can simply use cell ranges. ठीक है, like that way. See figure 2.4 of your book. Suppose we have the same table that is given on the last page. So we have these values. So we can directly write sum equals to B2 is to B7. I want to show the practical of this also. So look at here. Here I have made the same table that is given on your book. So in this column we have to enter the sum. So one method is that simply we can write down equals to, then we have to start the parenthesis, then we can write down the cell address. So cell address I told you ना, cell reference क्या होता है? कॉलम जहां पे रो से मिलता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? सेल एड्रेस. तो इसका एड्रेस क्या है? C5. C5 से लेके कहां तक है? C10 तक. तो हम किसी का भी एडिशन यहां पे कर सकते हैं. सपोज हमने किया C5 हमने लिखा, सपोज C5, then we have written C6, then we are writing C7. सपोज हमें इन तीनों का ही सेल एड्रेस चाहिए. ठीक है, so then we have to close the parenthesis and just press the enter key. As we'll press the enter key, this column will give you the total of these two. We can also do the total of all the cells like that way. How? See, equals to, again we have to write down equals to, then 1 minute, I have to increase the font so that it is easy for you. One minute. ठीक है, okay, first we'll type it. It is showing the range. One minute. ठीक है. So we have written equals to start, then we can write down C5 plus C6 plus C7 plus C8 plus C9 plus C10. These are all the cells that we are having. Then we'll press enter. So it will give you the sum of all the cells. Okay. So we can increase its font so that it is easier for you to see that. So can you see? Yes. in any cell. If you want to do the addition or the answer in this cell, you can write down the formula over here also. The next method that I am telling you is to use the cell range. So let's do it this also. So let's see. So again we have to first write down, because all the formulas will start with equal to sign, then parenthesis. So our range is C5 is to, that is colon, to C10. यही है ना हमारा पूरा रेंज. इसके बाद विल प्रेस. देखिए जैसे हमने यहाँ पे रेंज लिखा, दैट वी हैव रिटन रेंज ओवर हियर. जैसे हमने यहाँ रेंज लिखा, ये पूरा अपने आप सेलेक्ट हो गया. ठीक है. अब जैसे ही हम एंटर प्रेस करेंगे, वहां पे आंसर आ गया. ठीक है. So we have to increase the font. ठीक है. 1500. No, it should not be 1500. इसमें कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया. Wait एक मिनट. Equals to C5 colon C10. $1300. Okay. These cells are same over here, na? So it is giving. Here we have to write down. This is the same cell, na? It is giving the sum of this cell. So equals to C5 colon C10. Okay. So we have to write down the function also, na? Sorry. Function भी तो लिखना है पड़ेगा. 1s. It is already given here some function, ना? So यहाँ पे लिखते हैं, साफ दिखेगा आपको. Equals to some function s u m some function, then C5 colon C10. So can you see now? So that is the answer. Okay. So is that clear? The third process that is given in your book is to name a range. अब जो ये range है जिसको हमने C5 से लेके C10 तक कहा, इसको हम रेंज को हम नेम भी दे सकते हैं. कैसे देंगे इसको नेम? इसके लिए देखिए पहले हमें इस रेंज को सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. फिर फॉर्मूला बार में जाके यहाँ देखिए डिफाइनिंग नेम. ठीक है. डिफाइन नेम. यहाँ पे नेम दिया है तो हम इसका नेम कुछ भी दे सकते हैं जो आपकी बुक में दिया है. अगर हम वही देंगे, ठीक है, सो UNITS यूनिट्स अंडरस्कोर सोल्ड. ठीक है. ओके प्रेस करिए. सो दिस विल बिकम द नेम ऑफ द सेल. अब देखिए अब थर्ड मेथड क्या है. सपोज यहाँ पे हमें आंसर चाहिए तो हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, इक्वल्स टू लगाएंगे पहले. ठीक है. उसके बाद सम फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे. 1 minute. I can use only one of my hand ना. That's why it's sum units. हमारे सेल का नाम क्या था? ITS units sold. ठीक है. Like that way. Units sold. Then we'll press enter. आ गया ना आंसर. तो 3 मेथड है. या तो हम प्लस प्लस लगा के इन सबको प्लस प्लस लगा के लिखते रहें, या फिर हम सीधे फॉर्मूला लगा के लिखिए, या फिर हम पहले सेल को रेंज दे दें, नेम दे दें, और नेम के बाद सीधे नेम यूज करें और वो प्रिंट हो जाए. ठीक है. सो दिस यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस एट होम एंड रीड फ्रॉम द बुक ऑल्सो. सो टाइप ऑफ सेल रेफरेंसेज विल डू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.